Sean here, Rogue Off-Road. We got the new 2022 Toyota Tundra. We're getting ready to put a Gibson exhaust on this, change the sound, and change the overall power output. So let's get this thing on the rack and get it done. Alright, so we just got done with this, took it on a couple test runs. Definitely can hear the throatier exhaust note, and it does feel like it freed up some horsepower. You can hear the turbo now a little bit more. You can also hear turbo noises with the blow-off valve, so definitely recommend it. So if you're looking to get an exhaust for your 2022 Toyota Tundra, hit us up at rogue-offroad.com. Hope to hear from you soon.